1. Glorify the name of your Lord the Most High. 2. Who created and proportioned. 3. And who determined and guided. 4. And who brings forth the pasture. 5. Then turns it into black stubble. 6. We will make you recite, O prophet, and you will not forget. 7. Except what Allah wills, indeed He knows what is open and what is hidden. 8. And we will make the way easy for you. 9. So remind if the reminder benefits. 10. He who fears Allah will be reminded. 11. But the wretched one will avoid it. 12. Who will enter the great fire. 13. Where he will neither die nor live. 14. Successful indeed is the one who purifies himself. 15. And remembers the name of his Lord, then prays. 16. But you prefer the worldly life. 17. While the hereafter is better and more lasting. 18. Indeed, this has been mentioned in the former scriptures. 19. The scriptures of Abraham and Moses.